Hello and welcome back to Physiotrendz. My dear friends, last part of this video I have shown you that how to perform side flexion for the upper trunk using suspension therapy. And in this video I am going to show you all that how to perform suspension therapy for the lower trunk for particularly side flexion movements. For this particular thing we will require again two double pulley suspensions and two simple suspension units. Again, if you are new to this video and you don't know how to prepare this double pulley suspension or simple suspensions, you can go back to my suspension therapy playlist and from there you can find out all the videos where I have uploaded about the suspension therapy. Alright, so apart from this we are going to require two ring slings which I have already placed over the patient's feet. We are going to require two pillows or sometimes three pillows according to the patient's requirement. One pillow we have to keep under the head of the patient. Another pillow we have to place exactly below the thoracic spine to stabilize the spine. So I'll be placing it slightly below the thoracic spine. Okay. Then we are going to require one big pelvic sling, okay, which we are going to place under the pelvis. Just lift your, yes. Okay, so another thing is we can use another sling for supporting the knee joint, but sometimes we can use it, sometimes we cannot use it. I will be showing you both the ways that how we can use it and how we cannot use it. So we have to initiate first by taking the measurement exactly, line of axis we have to measure it exactly above the umbilicus. So for that we will be requiring a rope. You have to check where the umbilicus of the patient is there, and exactly above that you have to mark one point over the suspension unit, suspension mesh. This is the point I am getting. Now we have to keep one double pulley suspension on one side and another double pulley suspension over another side. So here I am attaching this double pulley suspensions on both the sides. Yeah. Next thing is both the simple suspension units also we have to attach it over both the sides, one each side, because that is from the line of axis is going to be present. So once that is also done, now we have to start attaching this pelvic sling with the double pulley suspension and ring sling with the normal suspension. Now why pelvic sling with the double pulley suspension? Because with double pulley suspension it becomes easier for us to lift the pelvis, and that is why we are using this double pulley suspension unit. So here I am attaching it both the sides. Same way I will be attaching this to the ankle slings. So these are the ring slings basically, and if you want to know about the ring sling also, like how to make the basic suspension units and everything, again you can go back to my channel suspension therapy units and you will find everything which is required for the basics of suspension therapy. Now see, this is our setup, everything is ready. Now we just have to lift the patient's body and start moving it for the lateral flexion. I will initiate it from the double pulley suspension. Just like the previous video, here also we are going to start very slowly. We are going to start lifting the part from both the sides, making sure that it is properly locked. We are lifting the pelvis up. As you can see now, almost pelvis is lifted equally from both the sides. After this we can lift both the limbs also. Here I am lifting both the limbs equally, you have to maintain it. So that also is done. As we can see now, both the lower limbs as well as pelvis is lifted up from the couch, and now we can advise patient to perform the side flexion for the lower trunk. So this is how we can advise patient to perform the side flexion of the lower trunk using suspension therapy unit. Now I told you all that we can use one more sling over here to make both the knee joints together. So for that we can take help of this normal sling. We can put it just exactly above the knee joint. Again we will be requiring two simple suspension units which we have to attach it each on one side like this. So here I am attaching one side each simple suspension unit. Yes. Make sure when you are suspending any suspension unit, you have to cross it over the suspension mesh so that it doesn't move from that particular part. So here attachment is done. You have to maintain it just below the knee joint and start lifting up the part. Okay, this is little bit longer, so I'll just make it shorter before lifting it up. Yes. Again, this one I'll just make it little bit more short. So this is also one of the easiest method if you want to learn that how to make suspension units shorter and longer within minutes. If you want to learn that, you can check out my previous videos. See, now this is how we can fix both the lower limbs together with the help of this simple sling. Again, we can ask patient to perform the side bending of the lower trunk. So this is the movement which we are performing. Now see, because we are keeping a pillow just below the thoracic spine, it is going to stabilize the spine and it will be easier for the patient to perform the side flexion at the lower trunk. Once the movement is over, we have to reduce it down. So for that, what we will do is first we have to reduce the pelvis part. Okay, so slowly both the sides equally you have to reduce it. Make sure patient is comfortable when you are reducing it. Once that is reduced and touch the floor, we can start reducing the parts of ankle. Slowly we can keep it down, legs are kept down, and then slowly we can reduce the part from the knee joint. So this is how we can reduce the suspension therapy unit once the movement for lower trunk is done in the side flexion.